Did you know that you can lock stickers on top of an image in Noteshelf? So I'm going to show you how I can lock an image by copying one. Copy. And then paste. And let's resize it, place it in a great position. So let's see, this is my favorite position so far. And I'm going to just hit the lock here. And there you have it. Now if I write on top of this sticker, and if I move the text around, I can move it without moving the image. Isn't it very, very cool? And now let's delete the text. And if you want to unlock this image, you will have to tap the pen inside the circle that's next to the rectangle icon. Tap it once and then tap once on top of the image and then unlock. And then you can move it around or delete it. How cool is that?